Umkhankaso ohlanganisa umnyango wezisebenzi, umnyango wezasekhaya namaphoyisa uholele ekuboshweni kwabantu abangama-25 ngamacala ahlukene okwephulwa umthetho Efemini yensimbi. Umnyango wezisebenzi uthulunywe indlebe ngokwephulwa komthetho kule femu wabusugasela khona.
Well, we have found a number of contraventions up to so far. The first one is in terms of the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, is that at least an employee must work for 9 hours a day. And if it's more than 9 hours, there must be overtime, and that overtime must be paid in terms of overtime rate. And we've found some employees to be working for 10 hours without being paid overtime, and we have a problem with that.
Umnyango wezasekhaya uthi izisebenzi eziningi kule femu ziboshelwe ungabi namaphepha asemthethweni okuba kuleli.
Those that we have arrested are within this space. The first thing is that they are illegal. We're going to charge them in terms of them being illegal in the country. The second thing, even though they were found to be illegal, they were working. So there are 2 contraventions in line with the Immigration Act that they are going to be faced with.
Owayishop steward yenyunyane sephawu uThemba Hadebe uthi ziningi izinselele esibhekene nezisebenzi.
Those companies, they don't comply with the basic condition of employment. Holidays, maternity leave, all those things. They are complaining that they're working long hours, and some of them are dismissed. And after they dismiss South African workers, and then they employ the foreign nationals.
Umkhankaso oqala umnyango wezisebenzi wezinsuku ezine waba nomphumela okuvalwa kwezitolo zokudlela ezidumile ezifana nethenge Santin nakhona ngenxa ongahambisani nemithetho ezisebenzi nokuqasha abakuleli ngokungemthetho.